Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaicans, you came here with another reaction. And today we're here with Central C. Big up myself, Mr. Central C. Khabib. Am I saying it wrong? Right? Khabib. Yeah, this is what we're reacting to today. So let's just jump straight tonight. Let's not waste any time. Let's go, dog.
I don't say much, but I hear everything that I said. It don't go over my head. Success is the best revenge, no stress, I still ain't missed. We could've got round there, put it on social media, I ruined his cred. Could've grabbed a bag, put two in his head, but I let God do it instead. They done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay God do it instead. They done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his beam like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need.
Yeah.
Sat in a band or watching Snap weren't good.
You know, you have that some friends where you don't need to call every day or call every week or even every month, but you don't know if like I'm here if you need me. I have a few of those friends.
Been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his beam like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need. Sat in a band or watching Snap weren't good for my mental health. The things that I see on a daily basis be on a daily melt. For real, why the hell would I dwell on the past when I make profit off the pain I felt? How the fuck these guys gonna date these girls when they can't even pay for themselves? How? Few of these females left me on red back then, but I look now, I bet they regret it. They used to ask what I do for a living, I said that I work in a chemist. I had no money, I weren't embarrassed, I'm doing that road in my Toyota Yaris.
Once they ask him, what kind of job him do? He say, I reckon a chemist. Yes, I'm a pharmacist. Yes, I reckon a... What? I reckon a chemist. He was to do with them Toyota Yaris too.
Few of these females left me on red back then, but I look now, I bet they regret it. They used to ask what I do for a living, I said that I work in a chemist. I had no money, I weren't embarrassed, I'm doing that road in my Toyota Yaris. C-Squad late trying to cut through traffic, rule number one, don't panic. I know they hate that they can't ignore me, I'm all over London town. It's funny to think that I went OT when I was 16 for £100. I get gal easy, you know, true. LIM, we don't run them down. I couldn't care less what they say on the blogs as long as my mumsy proud. I keep on telling the young bulls grind on.
So all you bloggers and vloggers and whatever you call yourself, the man say not care what on the sip and on the blogs as long as his mother is proud. Big up mommy. He's doing it for mommy. So as long as mommy is proud of him, which he is, no matter what the critics say about him, he's good. Big up yourself, my G.
Couldn't care less what they say on the blogs as long as my mumsy proud. I keep on telling the young bulls grind on quick, cause it's all about timing. Bro's on a ped with a brick on him and he's trying to blend in, so he's wearing a high vis. Always trying to get the party done, that's how I got nicked, that wireless. Alright, I told little bro when I stepped out of cells, it's calm, one day I'll headline. They done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his beam like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need. Put my life on the line to see bro elevate. Sometimes I feel like I'm way too generous. Step on the gas one time, accelerate. I need the same time piece as Federers. First flight that I took was an easy jet, now it's TXP, I'm on Emirates. Live your movie, I say it with emphasis, but the flow too effortless. I'm wary, gotta stay on my pivot, stay on it. Reminding myself it's business, gotta stay on my feelings. Still gotta weigh out my options. I met a lot of these rappers and we ain't got nothing in common. Tryna ship out the bud from Cali, everyone got bud from Holland. The weed that I dropped my tape Wild West, I painted my city orange. I see a lot of videos look like mine, I don't even mind, just pay me homage. Stuck in the trenches, skin go pale. I've been in LA, now my skin look olive. I told little bro gotta stay in school, my bad example, I didn't go college. I listen a lot but I don't speak much, I kept it brief, she think that I'm shy. She's down for the cause, I told her I'm done, she said she want more, I bring in my guy. I was dead broke, I had no hope, I sat and I thought about ending my life. I was down bad and they asked how I am, I got out like a man and I said I'm alright. I got on my grind, didn't make excuses, stayed in the trap, got hot, got humid. The hood just full up a...
So I just put that thing on the screen to get a Google picture of who is Khabib. Khabib obviously is the UFC fighter. That went over my head, I'm sorry. Khabib is the UFC fighter. Bad boy.
Down bad and they asked how I am, I got out like a man and I said I'm alright. I got on my grind, didn't make excuses, stayed in the trap, got hot, got humid. The hood just full up of drug consumers, so we abuse it. If I don't do it, then someone gon' do it. Trusted a man and he done me like Judas. Fair opportunist, no opportunity, trusting the government, but they all clueless. They done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. Where they at? The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, make man tap out, but I stay on his beat like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need.
So I wanna say Alhamdulillah, God give me everything. Alhamdulillah, I know you got this, they don't like this. Alhamdulillah.
Yo, big up Central Cena, bro. The lens that these guys are going to make the music video different from the average and different from the rest is so good, so great. Like the bars are set so high with these music videos. Yo, Central, big up yourself, G. You always been doing it, and like I say, in the chat to the 18 weeks, that is no joke. Like it's there to prove. It's there. You know, big up yourself, G. Yeah, big up everybody who been supporting me also, been watching the videos, been liking the videos, been subscribing, sharing with them friends. Big up on yourself, really appreciate it also. Okay, this time I'm gonna leave the one. If you enjoyed the one, please leave a like on the video, please subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.